From your Gmail screen, you need to click on the waffle and then scroll all the way down until you find Pearson Easy Bridge. Once you're in Pearson Easy Bridge, click on the grade 8 textbook. And once that loads, then come over here and click on the My Perspectives. Again, the grade 8, it's the one with the white sphere. Looks like the cover of your workbook. I have some different options from what you have, but some of these look the same. So click on the Unit 1 Rites of Passage. And here's the cool thing that I don't know if it ever existed before. If it did, I didn't know about it. Instead of clicking on Unit 1, the medicine bag stuff down here, at the very top, you'll see one that says Unit 1 Rites of Passage and then PDF. And PDF is basically a picture version of our actual workbook. So when you click on that, and then it gives you that as your only option to click on, what you're going to see is the actual pages of the textbook just as they appear in your workbook. Every page complete with page numbers at the bottom. So we read the story from pages 13 to 21, and we had questions on page 21 on Friday. So here are the questions you did on page 21, complete again with the page number. Today we're going to skip over pages 22 and 23. We're going to come back to those Wednesday and Thursday when I'm here to teach the lessons. Today we're going to work on some things that are kind of more self-directed. Page 24 is the concept vocabulary. So on page 24, and you'll see this, if you follow the instructions in your email, you'll work on these two questions, why these words, you'll complete the 2 practice questions, all of this on your own paper, and then you'll also do the animal words at the bottom. Then you'll move on to conventions, which is verbs and active and passive voice. You may need to read that a couple of times to be able to understand what the difference is. I also have a short lesson on that in Schoology where you can go in and click on it. And it's a less than a 2-minute video that hopefully will shed some light on it. And then you're going to answer these questions. And again, those questions are on the same sheet of notebook paper. So all of this will be answered on your own notebook paper. But this, I think, just from my perspective, I think this is easier to use than trying to navigate through the online textbook. The online textbook has things under weird headings, and you have to know where to click to get to the thing you're actually trying to find, where this is laid out just like the textbook. It's super easy. You are welcome to use your textbook today, your workbook in class. Just make sure you leave it here. Or if this is good enough for you, you don't even have to go get your workbook, and you can just go straight from here because you're answering everything on a sheet of notebook paper anyway.